Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Semstar Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English literature of class 5. As a student, we have done last day with the reading of the chapter number 8, which is a poem Someone by Walter de la Mare. Yes, so today I am going to explain the chapter to you, this poem to you, and we have done with new words and word meanings. So we will do different and context today and some other exercises which have been given in your book. Okay, so please open the page number 68 of your book. Page number 68. Yes, poem is Someone came knocking at my wee small door. What is the meaning of wee? I have told you, wee means very small in size. Yes, at my wee. Someone came knocking, I am sure. Yes, so what happened? That the poet was sleeping, it is the night time, and he heard a sound. He heard a sound of knocking on the door. The door is very small in size. For that he said, at my wee small door. That means very small in size. And he heard a sound, he or she heard a sound. Someone came knocking, I am sure that poet is saying that I am very sure that someone was there at the door and he or she was knocking at the door. I listened, I opened, I looked to left and right, but not there was a stirring in the still dark night. He said, when he heard that sound, he woke up and he went to the door and he opened the door and he saw right and left and but not means nothing. There was nothing outside. He saw no one outside in the dark night. Yes, only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. As you can see in the picture, there is a beetle in the picture on the wall. So he said that I saw only a busy beetle which was tapping in the wall. That means chal raha tha. Yes, read raha tha. That is said. Only the busy beetle. Only from the forest the screeched owls call. Okay, the screeched owls call. कहना है कि forest से जंगल से उल्लू की आवाजें आ रही थी, hooting की आवाजें आ रही थी. What owls do? They hoot. Yes. Only the cricket whistling while the dewdrops fall. What is the meaning of cricket? Cricket that not match वाला cricket. यहाँ पे हम जिस cricket की बात करें, that is an insect जिसको हम टिड्डा बोलते हैं. Yes, and टिड्डा नहीं, then चट्टा I guess, whatever. And insect. While the dewdrops fall. What is dewdrops? The rainy drops. छोटे-छोटे dewdrops होते हैं ना, वो जो leaves पे ठंडी के दिनों में दिखते हैं. That ओस की बूंदें you can say. Yes. So I know who came knocking at all. So what the poet is saying, that he or she heard the whistling of cricket and dewdrops fall. वो tap करके उसकी बूंदें गिरती हैं. That sound he had heard, he or she had heard. And now he is saying, I know not. Now he don't know, he is very confused. He or she is very confused that who came and knocked at the door at this time. That means at the night. He is in confusion. He or she is in confusion. So now in this poem it is night, that we already know. Night time, and the narrator is inside his or her house. Okay, and the speaker is absolutely sure that he or she heard knocking. Heard knocking, but when the speaker opens the door, looking all around, he or she can see no one who might have been knocking. There is nothing stirring, nothing seems to be moving around in this darkness outside. However, the narrator heard the beetles tip-tapping in the wall. Yes, and the owl outside in the forest trees hooting. Further, the speaker can hear the sound of crickets chirping in the night, since it seems unlikely that any of them were the one to knock on the speaker's door. Yes, because it is impossible कि कोई beetle या owl or any cricket, any kind of insect come to and knock at your door properly like a man. Yes, or like a person in real. Yes, so it is impossible for them to do so. It remains a mystery as to who could have done it, because in the last you can see easily that the speaker was not sure, and he's saying that in the line, just read it. He's saying that, so I know not who came coming. Now he's saying himself, that speaker, he or she is saying himself or herself that the speaker doesn't know about that person who knocked at the door. The speaker has no idea who came knocking, who came knocking. And the final line of the poem allows for the readers to recognize the sound of knocking by repeating the words at all. At all 3 times repeat हुआ है, and now you know कि किस sound के through को उठा होगा. जो poet था हमारा, he woke up by the sound of nature, sounds of nature. That those sounds which he have described in the poem, which he or she had described well in the poem. What he had heard, what poet had heard? The sound of beetles, crickets chirping, owls hooting. Yes, these are the sounds of nature. Dewdrops. Yes. This is similar to how would knock at the door. These sounds are almost similar. जब आपके डोर पे कोई नॉक करता है ना, लाइक ऐसे जब आप बिल्कुल रात का सन्नाटा होता है ना, this kind of sound, anything can make you feel like this. Yes, आपके मान लीजिए just air blew and wind blew, and your window or door which is not properly locked, it can make sound like this, na? Or tiptoe of the rain, tip. It can, if it falls on anything like on any kind of metal, beam, wood, so it will make sound like this. So this can make you feel that someone is knocking at your door. Yes, so that same thing the poet felt in the poem, and what he had heard the sounds of nature. There was no one at his door. There was no one at his or her door. So now we'll do some exercises which I have given in your book. Yes. Open the page number 69. Page number 69. Here we have one exercise A. Questions on A. Think quick. Read the sentences below and write A if you are agree and write B if you do not. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to read the sentences. Then in front of them we have to write A if the sentence is correct, we are agree, and if we are not, if we think that it is not inappropriate, then what we do? We will write disagree. That's with D in front of that sentence. So number 1 is the door was big. No, door was not big. It was B, small door. So what will come in number 1? A. Number 1 will be B. We are not agree. Number 2, the night was dark. The night was dark. Yes, of course it was. We will write A. That's me, agree. Number 3, there was someone at the door. कोई था door पे? No. Disagree. There was no one outside. Yes. Number 4, there were many sounds all around me. Yes, there were lots of sound. Number 5, the person who knocked was not a stranger. The person who knocked was not a stranger. Disagree. वो कोई stranger ही था. We don't know it. The last भी हमको नहीं पता चलता कि वो कौन था. Stranger. Okay. It was very quiet. What सन्नाटा था? No. Disagree again. There was lots of sound outside. Yes. Now come to the difference and context, which is number D. Read the line and answer. Number one is, I know not who came knocking. So who's the speaker? The speaker is the poet here. Poet is the speaker. वो जो भी है, he or she. Okay. Where is he? वैसे इसमें he दिया हुआ है. We can write who is the speaker. The speaker is a boy. Where is he now? वो कहाँ पर है? Outside his room. Now he is at the door. You can write, or you can write he is outside of his room. Number C. What is he talking about? He is talking about a stranger or someone who knocked at his door. Yes. Number D. What if was it day or night at this time? If you do, why do you think so? Write your answer in about 3 to 5 sentences. First of all, we are very sure that it was night because it is given in the poem. Come to the line number 8th line. In the still dark night, only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. Yes, and owls, we know that owls wake up in the night. They don't fall asleep in the night. They used to wake up. So that means it was night, not day. Okay. Now number E. Do you think the speaker is scared or angry? Give 2 reasons for your answer. Yes, the speaker was scared, and reasons you can write that when he had heard something at the door, that someone was knocking at the door. So when he saw outside and found no one there, so he was scared that how could something like this can happen itself. And the second reason, because there was lots of sounds of nature. There are so many sounds of nature, for that he was scared. Yes. And question number F is, do you think the poet has been able to create an air of mystery in the poem? Give 2-3 reasons. Answer yourself. I have explained you the poem very well. So I am giving you hint. You have to do this answer yourself. This question is asking कि पोएट जो है, क्या आपको लग रहा था कि एयर मिस्ट्री, दैट्स मीन हवा में कोई कहानी है, कोई कविता बना रहा है, ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ लगता है तो प्लीज राइट 2-3 लाइन्स. ओके, रीजन. Now come to the vocabulary corner. At the same page down there, word test. Write 2 words that come to your mind when you read these words. Some words have been given there. What we have to do, we have to read that word, and whatever comes in our mind, we have to write those 2 words. So first we will erase this. Now we will do this exercise. Exercise A of vocabulary corner, word test. Yes. So number one is small. जब भी हम small के बारे में पढ़ते हैं तो बहुत छोटी चीजें like ant and rat you can write. Small animals. Number 2, dark. Dark means mostly we think about night. When we talk about dark, we think about night or color. Lots of dark colors are there. Number 3. Turn the page, come to page number 70. Number 3 is forest. Whenever we think about forest, animals comes in our mind. Animals and trees. Lots of trees. Yes. Number 4 is dewdrops. Dewdrops always used to fall in winter, and where they fall? They fall on leaves. Yes, leaves, pattiyan. Or grass we can write. Yes. Number 5 is cricket. Same cricket है ये आपका वो insect वाला. They used to we can mostly see them in rainy season, so we can write rain, and we used to see them on leaves, so we can write leaves. Yes, and here sorry. Leaves, number 5. Or usually when we see them in night, we can write night as well. Now come to number 6. Last one is whistling. Whenever it comes to whistling, the first thing comes in our mind, it's pressure cooker. Yes. Pressure cookers. 3 whistles and your lesson is ready. Yes. Pressure cooker and dart. Yes. Now, number 1, ant and rat. Number 2, knife and color. Number 3, animals and trees. Number 4, winter and leaves. Number 5, rain or night. And number 6, pressure cooker and dart. Okay. Now I am reading it. Now we will do this exercise B, which is given just below of exercise A. Word game. Write 2 words that rhyme with these words from the poem. हमारे पास poem से कुछ words दिए हैं उन्होंने and we have to write here rhymes जो उनसे मिलते जुलते words, rhyming words में होना. So we have to write 2 practical words from them. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1 we have came. We can write lame and shame. Number 2 is door. We can write code and code. Yes. Number 3 is still. We can write kill or build. Number 5 is owl. We can write owl and foul. Number 5 is mile. We can write miles and file. Yes. Number 6. On number 6 we have not. We can write caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught and not, B-O-U-G-H-T, caught. So now here we have writing words of came, told, still, out, while and not. Number 1, lame and shame. Number 2, code and code. Number 3, kill and will. Number 4, hole and howl and foul. Number 5, mile and file. Number 6, caught and caught. Okay. So now we have done this chapter as well. This poem, Someone, by Walter Delamere. Yes. Thank you. Have a good day.